Today, we're checking out this electric submersible aquarium vacuum, a handy tool that helps you clean your tank or pond and change water with much less effort. It's designed to remove dirt, fish waste, and leftover food while keeping your pond water crystal clear. This unit runs on electricity using a fully submersible motor, making it powerful enough for both cleaning and water changes. As you can see, the tank has accumulated debris and waste at the bottom. This is exactly the kind of mess this vacuum is built to handle. Let's open the box and see what's included. Inside, you'll find the user manual in Chinese and, of course, English. Flexible hose, 2 nozzle attachments, and different outlet connectors. The duckbill nozzle is ideal for siphoning debris from the substrate. The gravel nozzle is perfect for cleaning between stones without removing your decorative gravel. The included outlet connectors allow you to direct the discharged water to a bucket or back into the pond or aquarium. Assembly is very straightforward. Watch how I did it. Simply connect the hose, choose your preferred nozzle, and attach the outlet fitting. One useful feature is the stand, which helps keep the unit upright and stable during operation. Now it's time to put it to the test. The motor creates strong suction that lifts dirt and waste from the bottom of the tank. Cleaning's fast, efficient, and far easier than using a manual siphon. For aquarium hobbyists, this is a practical tool that saves time and simplifies regular maintenance. So, if you're looking for an easier way to clean your aquarium or pond and perform water changes, this electric submersible vacuum is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching and happy fish keeping!